So I have received a new lead from Facebook and I'm just going to create a new contact for that in my GoHighLevel account. First, I'm just going to show you how much time it is going to take to create the contact manually. So let me just start this timer and go on this add contacts. Now let me just add the lead details manually. I'm going to enter the first name, the last name, the email and then the phone number right over here, and then I am going to move on further and enter the rest of the details and create this contact. First of all, I'm just going to simply enter all of my details, and now I am going to click on the save button to save this contact over here. And once I am going to click on the save button, you can see yes, the new contact is created right over here, and when I'm just going to go on the smart list, this new contact is added, and it took me around 37 or 38 seconds to add this contact. Now let me just reset this time and we're going to check that how much time does automation takes to create the contact. So let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. So let me just fill in this lead form right over here and then click on this continue and then submit. We have successfully submitted the lead. Now let me just start this timer, go on this GoHighLevel, and I'm going to refresh this contact list. So let me just refresh this contact list and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the new contact is automatically added right over here without any manual intervention, and it took only 15 seconds to do this. Yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to learn in today's video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and if you also want to save a lot of time and errors, then this is the video just for you. So as you can see that I've showed you that approx it is going to save me 30 to 40 seconds for a single lead, and now imagine hundreds and thousands of leads. So yes, let's see how we can create this automation now. For that, this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So if you are an existing user like me, you can directly open this workflow builder. But what if you are a new user? Then you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached on your screen. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and right now it is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Okay, but first try Pabbly Connect, then if you find it helpful for you in your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. So let's see how this automation can be created. For that, just click on this add trigger button, and now you have to select the trigger application as Facebook lead ads. For the event, you have to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now you have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. So once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to choose the page name and the lead gen form. So the name of my Facebook page is Invest Twice. I've chosen the same, and for the form I want to create this automation only for a single form which is lead ads form. So I'm just going to choose the same. If you want to create this automation for all your lead forms, you have to select all lead forms over here or any another particular form, whichever you want. Then you have to make sure that the response format is set to simple and then click on the save and send test request button. Now you're going to see testing waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to create a test lead. In order to create a test lead, open a new tab and then search for Meta for Developers and then open the landing page of Meta for Developers. Now go on this resources and then developer tools. After you come on this developer tools, you just have to scroll and look for lead ads RTU debug tool and open it. It is going to open your lead ads testing tool. Once your lead ads testing tool is open, you just have to choose the same page and the form which you selected right over here in your workflow. Okay, so let me just choose the same page and the same form. Now for the product, select it as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. So let's say someone sees my ad on Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. So for the first name, I'm just going going to keep it as new. Last name as user only, email as new@pabblytudes.com, this as the phone number. For the company name, I'm going to keep it as Pabbly Tudes. Click on this continue and then submit. We have successfully submitted it right over here, and you can see this lead is submitted successfully. So as soon as I submitted this lead, you're going to see in my GoHighLevel account the lead details are added automatically. So let me just delete it right over here because I want to start fresh and show you how this can be added. So as you can see, I've successfully deleted this right over here. Let me just go back towards my workflow. You can see over here we have captured the response for the same. We have the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. Now using these details, I'm just going to create a new contact in GoHighLevel. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for lead connector V2. In order to connect GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect, we use lead connector V2. Search for lead connector V2 and select it. For the event, select it as create or update a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between lead connector and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with lead connector V2. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that your GoHighLevel account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and once your account is logged in, Pabbly is going to directly ask you for some permissions. So click on this next and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Now you just have to choose the account name. So make sure that you don't select the agency, but you have to choose the sub account. So search for the same right over here. I'm just going to search for Pabbly Connect right over here as my account name, and you're going to say yes, my GoHighLevel account is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me the details of the lead. Okay, so one by one I'm just going to enter the details of the lead over here. But always a hack that we don't have to enter these details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I'm just going to map all the details right over here. As you can see, they've successfully mapped all the details. In order to map these details, you just have to search for the details. For that, just put a slash, then search for the details like this, and then map the details right over here and move on further and click on this save and send test request button, because it is going to ask you for n number of details, but you can just enter the details which you have of your lead. Now we have received the positive response. New contact has been created in our GoHighLevel. So let me just open my GoHighLevel account, and you're going to see yes, the new details are added right over here. The same contact name, same phone number, same email address, and the same business name. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we created right now. And like I showed in the starting of this video, within 10 to 15 seconds, the new lead details will be added in your GoHighLevel account. You don't have to do this manually anymore and waste a lot of amount of time. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. And while doing it, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll also attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.